Meaning of Hegira.
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 Hegira. Hegira refers to the migration of the Islamic prophet Muhammad from Mecca to Medina in 622 AD. This event marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar and is considered one of the most significant events in Islamic history. The migration was the result of increasing persecution of Muslims in Mecca and allowed for the establishment of the first Muslim community in Medina. This provided a new base from which Islam could spread throughout Arabia and beyond. The Hegira marked a turning point in Islamic history, as it established Islam as a major religion in the region.